Hey everyone, Greg from My Mortgage. Just wanted to talk about what you need to do when you come to the end of a fixed rate on your home loan, and also how soon you can look at those new fixed rates as well. So at the moment we're seeing interest rates coming down a little bit, which is great. So we're in April 2024. And so in this situation, you might want to wait until quite close towards the time that you've got your fixed rate coming off before we actually refix. So most banks will let you fix somewhere between 1.5 to 2 months before your rate comes off. So say your rate is coming off in June, 1st of June, somewhere around early to mid-April, the bank would send you some interest rates and go, hey look, here's the rates that we're going to be offering you. If we were in a market where rates were going up, then you might choose to jump on that rate quite quickly. We'll touch base with all of our clients about 2.5 months before that happens to make sure they're aware that, hey, let's have a conversation about it, make sure we've got the right rate for you, make sure it's structured correctly, make sure we're with the right bank, all those sorts of things. And then your rates will come. Nowadays, most of the banks are wanting you to refix online, so you'll get given new rates online. We can have a conversation with you about that, and then you can look to refix for the next length of time. The other thing is, as I said, when rates are coming down, you might want to wait right till the end, so the day before, and that's fine. You can choose that rate on your online banking the day before, or even the day of your break, when your fixed rate comes off, and then you'll be able to refix that, and it will happen automatically as well. In that time, as I mentioned before, there could be a thing where it's like, hey, actually there's a better option at another bank for you. So if we can have that conversation quite early, it gives us enough time to get that lined up so that the day that you come off your fixed rate, that refinance could happen to a new bank, which might get you onto a better rate or to a better product for that bank at the new bank, or maybe there's other reasons that we might want to be looking at refinancing as well. So that's a little bit of information about what happens when we come to a refix. It's really important to get personalized advice for that. Don't just take your advice from maybe an online group that you're a part of, maybe someone down the road who's just refixed, or an economist who's giving general advice to the entire population. You want someone who can have a look at your situation, your family situation, your work situation at the moment, all those things. Take everything into account, what your plans are for the future, and make sure that you're getting the right advice around the right fixed term and the right interest rate for you at that time. So any questions about fixed rates, feel free to give us a call. Happy to look at options for you and make the best decision for you and your situation.